I'm Dave Paget, President of Concrete Polishing Solutions. Today, we got a scenario that we run into quite a bit out here in the real world. We've got a situation where we've got a rack that's close to the floor. We need to actually get the polish back beyond the view of sight from the center of the aisle. We want to be able to get up under this rack without using a hand tool or an edge machine and polish and color up under this rack so that it's not visible to the customer and unsightly. Now, this could be a scenario that you run into in an industrial environment or a scenario that you run into many times in a retail environment. A lot of your grocery chains, a lot of your big box facilities, they've got a lot of materials on the bottom shelves. They don't want to move those materials, or if they do, it's a logistics nightmare. You would like to be able to roll along through these floors very quickly, polishing them to a beautiful shine, color them if that's part of the spec, being able to get back behind the visible line of sight. What we're going to do today, we're going to use the RD technology that we have laying here. This is a new technology to us here. This is these diamond technologies come out of a different industry and are really making it possible to polish a lot faster using less weight and higher speed to create incredible shines. This is the fastest polishing system that we've experienced yet. We're also going to be using the Prosoco products from their Consolidec. We're using their Consolidec Gem Tone Stain Light Roast. We're using their LS Hardener. We're using their LS Guard, and just a conventional sprayer to apply these materials. Now, we started out with this floor. It was just a regular floor. We're going to start with a 60 grit RD disc. This is a 1500 grit right here, but we're going to go and we're going to finish out with a 1500 grit. This is our G320 propane unit with a special attachment that we've created for it. This equipment is going to be debuting at the World of Concrete this year. This is created so that you can actually get up under these racks 3.5 inches further than you could with a regular shroud. So it allows you to be able to get well under the view of sight, and also extends your head to 38 inches of cut width. So that speeds up your process. With this new technology, you don't need as much weight per square inch, and so speeding it up and spreading out the size is not a problem at all. This kind of an attachment will go with any of our equipment, and hopefully be able to help our customers with this kind of a scenario in the future. Also, we have the CAT5, which will be debuting at World of Concrete. It's got an 18 horsepower propane motor on it. It's on the same workhorse frame of our CAT5, and it's a beast. It's got a lot more CFM and water lift than our CAT5, and we're looking forward to debuting this. We think this will be a big help to get rid of all the cords and hoses. So let's see this thing go down.